Alright, Master Designers. This is it. The ultimate pure fusion of Goku and Vegeta. Combining the powers of Ultra Instinct and hakaishin, they take Gogeta's power to a new level. Especially in that fight against Granola. That's who we're going to draw tonight. Tonight we're going to draw Ultra Instinct hakaishin Vegeta. There's the Ultra Instinct hair. Now we move on to the hakaishin hair. Want to know something? Even after that fight against Gogeta, they realized that, well, Granola realized that these new bad guys called the Heaters tricked him. Those guys really screwed up. You should never trick a Saiyan. Or at least, whatever he is. I don't even think he's human. Now we draw the diamonds on his chest. What is up with my tripod today? There. The answer is Now we draw the fist. There we go. And there we go. Last but not least, we draw the Ultra Instinct aura that surrounds him. Or at least the lightning bolts. He's got the same lights as Top the Destroyer. Together they took down the Heater's leader, and they joined forces with Granola. Oh yeah, and also Bardock. I don't know how Bardock managed to survive. I bet it was the Super Dragon Balls. And finished. There we go. That's how you draw Ultra Instinct Gogeta. Plus hakaishin Vegeta. Hakaishin Gogeta. Either way it goes. Anyways, that's all for now. Please like, your rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.